Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March the 16th, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. Today's FirstWord Pharma News Roundup is sponsored by Sedgedeem. In our top news story, Valiant Pharmaceuticals increased its offer to acquire Salix Pharmaceuticals from $158 per share to $173 per share in cash, or about $11.1 billion. The revised bid provides an additional $1 billion in cash to Salix stockholders and represents an increase of about 9.5% to the original deal disclosed last month. Also featured, study results showed that two PCSK9 inhibitors under development by Amgen, Sanofi and Regeneron Pharmaceuticals reduced the risk of cardiovascular events by around half. The data also indicated that the drugs, called Repatha and Praluent, cut LDL cholesterol levels by more than 60%. In an editorial on the findings, Neil Stone and Donald Lloyd-Jones said the data whet our appetites for further results that show cardiovascular benefit and documented safety of PCSK9 inhibitors. However, the authors cautioned it would be premature to endorse these drugs for widespread use before the ongoing randomized trials are available. In addition, the FDA cancelled an advisory panel meeting for Merck & Co.'s Sugammadex in order to conduct additional site inspections. Merck noted that due to the timing, it expects to receive a complete response letter for the experimental neuromuscular blocker on April the 22nd. And finally, study data showed that AstraZeneca's Brilinta reduced the risk of a future cardiovascular event among heart attack survivors. At the higher dose, the drug cut the cardiovascular risk by 15%, while the reduction was 16% for the lower dose versus placebo. To read these and other stories in full, visit firstwordpharma.com.
Take a look at us now, the new mobile intelligence. Performing better together.